Oops.
Ow! We've been thrown into nature.
Exactly. Just like Jock says, it's not till you're thrown into nature that you discover your inner Jock Wilder.
No. 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 What if we're chased by cheetahs, ambushed by alligators, caught in a mudslide, attacked by killer toucans, and washed over a waterfall?
Well, first of all, that would be awesome, but...
Cheetahs?
Okay, Larry, we've got two options. We can run or get eaten.
Don't forget peeing your pants.
Run! There!
What? That little island's too far.
Follow my lead. Whew, that was...
Alligators!
No, Larry, those were cheetahs.
No! Alligators! I told you, cheetahs, alligators, mudslide!
At least there's no such thing as killer toucans.
My arm! My arm! Ah! Take it too soon!
We survived.
Yeah, we did!
It was awesome.
Mother Nature threw her worst at us, and we survived, and it was awesome!
Wow, Larry, I think you found your inner Jock Wilder.
Jock? That little twerp's got nothing on me. I'm Larry Wilder. I smell prey. It's that-a-way.
Go get him, Larry.
Yeah! Hey, kick! Catch!
Huh? Wait, Larry! No!
Totally Dutch oven that bear!
Sweet. Wow, Larry, you really...
Don't call me Larry! Larry Wilder is no more! I am now and forever the king of the jungle!
King of the jungle, huh? Larry, you've lost your mind.
Oh, Kid, you're so right. Where is my mind? I'm not the king of the jungle. I can't be.
Whew. Well, I'm glad you...
Not until I have a crown made of tiny bones. How silly of me. Now where to find some tiny bones? Such tiny bones.
Now, Larry, try not to do something you'll regret.
Tiny bones! Tiny bones!